Okay, students. Now, in the second part of the previous lecture, I am going to explain you time to cross the river in shortest path. Dear students, crossing the river, ये रब हो गया था पहले, in shortest distance, I should say shortest distance is nothing but displacement, है ना? Or we say minimum distance. Now, time to cross the river in the shortest time. Time to cross the river in the shortest path. How much time it will take to cross the river in shortest path? This is very much the part of the previous river swimmer concept. Students, to understand this, we must have the width say D, or you can take B1. हमने B लिया है पहले, तो let it be B. Tell me, हमको बताओ, हमको दसो, सानू दसो, which component will help to cross the river? केड़ा component river नू cross करन लई help कर रहा है? Which component, कौन सा velocity का component river को cross करने के लिए मददगार है?
Sir, VSR sin phi.
हाँ, इंडिया में दो ही तो चीजें हैं, विपिन सर और उनके
Students.
जोर से बोलो, ऐसे नहीं समझ आया सभी लोग.
Students.
माइक ऑन करो सभी लोग. विपिन सर और उनके
Students.
ये बात. Where best of other ends our begins, dear. Come on. So, आप सही पकड़े हैं. Vs by R, that component sin phi. This component is helpful, and you know S is equal to ut, then T is equal to S upon U, so T is equal to B upon VSR sin phi. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अब हमको ये बताइएगा स्टूडेंट कि ये VSR sin phi किसके इक्वल आया? This is VS by R square minus V R square. So, dear students, this is the time taken by the swimmer to cross the river in the shortest path. Well, students, if we want to analyze the vectors, physical quantities are those quantities which can be expressed in terms of certain laws, and there are three types of physical quantities: scalar, vectors and tensors. I am not discussing yet about tensors. I am just discussing about the scalars and vectors in this chapter. Now, sliding vector is that vector which produces the same effect if slided parallel in the same plane. Zero vector is that vector whose magnitude is 0 and direction is arbitrary. Okay. Arbitrary direction is that direction which can be anywhere, right? But it is. Time is scalar because it is not having a specified direction. Time spreads in all directions. When you are spreading in all directions, then you have a no direction. The concept with vector is misnomer. Sometimes we say vectors are those which have got magnitude and direction. Now, vectors are those which have got magnitude and a specified direction. Is it clear? You know, I cap, j cap, k cap, they are called orthogonal triads. I cap is represented along which axis?
X-axis.
And j cap is represented along?
Y-axis. Y-axis.
Yeah, you can speak all. And k cap is represented along?
Z-axis.
If A1 I cap, A2 j cap, A3 k cap is equal to vector A, B1 I cap, B2 j cap, B3 k cap is equal to vector B, tell me what is the condition the two vectors are mutually perpendicular? A1 B1
A1 into
B1 plus A2 into B2 plus A3 into B3 must be equal to 0.
0.
And if they are parallel, then A1
A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to A3 upon B3.
whatever it is, you can say ABC, then A1 upon A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. Just up to you to select, you know. It's not necessary that you have to select a particular alphabets. No, it's up to you. X, I, Y, J, K, whatever you like. X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, whatever you like. Yeah. What is the resultant vector? Resultant vector is a single vector which produces the combined effect of सो हो गया ये जहां बोलो
Number of vectors.
फिर बोलते क्यों नहीं यार ऐसे resultant vector is a single vector which produces the combined effect of number of vectors. Resolution of a vector is a dash process.
Unique.
Yes, we cannot resolve a vector more than one way. What is the difference between triangle law of addition of vector? हाँ यूनिक. अच्छा ये ट्यूबलाइट देर से बोली. So what is on रखो सभी लोग कैमरा. What is the difference between triangle law of vector and parallelogram law of vector?
So in triangle law we take two vectors in order. In parallelogram law we take coordination vectors.
Yes. In triangle law, the two vectors are represented by the two sides of a triangle taken in order, and in parallelogram, in triangle law, in parallelogram they are co-initial vectors acting at a point. What is the magnitude of the resultant given by both triangle law and parallelogram law? Under root of p square, q square,
p square plus 2p cube theta.
Cos theta under root. And what is the direction tangent beta is equal to p sin theta. अगर ऊपर p ले रहे हो तो p sin theta नीचे p cos theta plus q. अगर आप ऊपर q sin theta ले रहे हो तो नीचे q p plus q cos theta. Correct? Dimension sin by cos tan रख लेना. Yes, students. Can you make a particle to have acceleration though its velocity is 0? Yes. By throwing the ball vertical up at the highest position, the velocity is 0, but yet acceleration due to gravity is acting. Is pressure vector or scalar?
Sir, scalar.
Yes. Why?
Sir, it is applied in all directions.
Which law it is?
Pascal.
रास्कल नहीं बोलना. किसने बोला रास्कल? इट इज ए पास्कल लॉ भैया.
Pascal.
हाँ पास्कल है, उसको बेचारे को आपने रास्कल बना दिया. पास्कल स्टेट्स दैट प्रेशर इज ट्रांसमिटेड इक्वली इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. इज करंट वेक्टर और स्केलर?
Scalar.
The scalar.
बिकॉज करंट इज अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ J डॉट ds. ये सबसे बेस्ट आंसर है, सबसे बेस्ट आंसर है. I इज इक्वल टू J डॉट ds. So there are so many questions, random we do. ddx of x degree pi upon 180, ddx of sin x cos x, ddx of cos x minus sin x, ddx of tangent x secant square x, ddx of log x 1 upon x, ddx of e to x e to x, integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c, integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. C we write because the constant of integration of, if there is a definite integral, then you need not to add c or subtract c. Just you can omit c. The constant of integration can be omitted. And students, in physics normally we have definite integral, so c does not come much, in the board levels पे तो बहुत काम आता है, right? तो स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह से डेली रिवाइज किया करो, इसको रैंडम बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना? ओके, बस करें आज, बहुत है. दिल मांगे मोर?
Yes, sir.
क्या पूछना है बोलो, आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस देन. Yes, please. Ankush, any question?
No, sir.
चलो ठीक है फिर, थैंक यू.